Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Google One country on your mobile phone. So on Google One, there is no such option of changing your country. So what you can do is download a VPN or a super VPN, and after going on the VPN, you can just easily turn on the VPN by going to the country and selecting a specific country. And that is how you can on Google One, and your region will be changed automatically. Like if I open up the Google One, you can see that it is logged into my Google account, and on my Google account I cannot change my location easily. So if you want to change location, you can just go for the VPN and turn on the VPN, because if I go there, you can also see that there is no such option of changing your location, country or region. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.